you in, right? Listen, right? I'll cue you in.
Okay.
And I'll say action. Right? It's for John who's in Australia. Are you listening?
Yeah, he's a good bowler like me, weren't you, mate? Swing bowler.
Can you not take
Down the line.
Swing like buggery.
Yeah.
Can you not take simple instruction?
I'm trying to. Right.
Right now, when I say action, right? I want you to say something to John Sumner in Adelaide. Okay? Right, ready? I'll just get ready. Right, action.
Right, I'm on now.
No, not yet. No, there's a slight pause.
Oh.
Should do it in a minute when you're sober.
No. Can't be even there all night.
Right, action then. Go on.
Right. Here we are now, John. We're round at Wally's 60th birthday party. And there's a very fine man now who...
Oh, you've ruined it again. Let's start again.
All right.
Wait a minute. Ready?
Take 3.
Yeah, take 3. Action.
Go. Right, here we are.
No, you mustn't say go.
Oh.
You got to crack straight on with it. Action.
I'm here around at Wally's party tonight with this great camera.
Hang on, we've got Karen. Stop, you've got a background interference here. Bowler's trying to give an interview here. Oh, ready?
I've done a bit of piss being distracted here.
Yeah, you got.
This is a live commentary to Australia now.
Yeah. Action.
I'm now here sitting there next to a banjo player.
You stood up for it, but don't lie. You stood up. Action. Oh, Bowler, go on. And get started again.
So I'm here now at Wally's party tonight. I'm being very serious now because I've got a lot to say.
And cut.
Don't do me, mate.